Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to play with variables. So declare a variable a and b, and here you can perform basic operation a plus b into println statement. So like copy this statement, a minus b, a multiply b, and here is the modular operator, divide operation, run the program, and all the operations are here. So you can also declare constant variable by using const keyword, and c is the constant variable name and 55 is the value of constant variable. So like c constant variable, run the program, constant variable 55. You cannot change the value of c, like 60, and here is the result, cannot assign to c. You can also declare complex variables like var d is equal to complex 1 to 8 and I plus 5i, or 1 plus 5i, var e complex 1 to 8 2 plus 6i, and here you can add d plus e to add two complex variables, and d plus e is equal to 3 plus 11, like 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, 6 plus 5 is equal to 11i. Thank you for watching this video.